Hello, welcome to your The Ineffable Ghost. I'm your friend. So, today I wanted to rant. I want to rant about why adulting is so hard. So, I have been an adult for 6 years of my life, and I still felt somehow I was stuck in my late teens. I was a 16-year-old instead of being the actual age that I was at that point. And up until now, I was always living in a place where I did not have to do anything. I was either living at home or in a hostel or in a paying guest PG shared room where you just have to take care of your belongings and yourself, and the food will be cooked for you. Even if it's not good, you can just order. You won't have to worry about other things. But recently I've shifted into an independent place. It's a one room set only, but it's an independent place where I'll have to cook for myself, I have to shop for myself. So I just wanted to rant that, is this what adulting is all about? Why is it so hard? I have not been able to figure out what to eat at one time in a day, and I have to figure it out now that what to eat three times a day. I don't know how much milk to order before it goes bad, because I thought that one packet would be enough for two times, but it's even more. I don't know how am I supposed to measure it. How am I supposed to behave like an adult when I spend my half time over analyzing whether a slight remark that I made at work came off the wrong way? When I can't even decide if I'm saving enough, if my career is on the right track. I don't know if I should worry about the milk going bad, or if my career is on the right track, or if I should be doing something entirely different. Am I even wasting my time, or what am I doing? I don't know why is it so difficult. One day I feel accomplished because I finally washed all my clothes which were piling up in the corner for so long, and I've washed all of them. And the next day I see another pile appears. I don't have the energy to wash them again. It's never ending. You figure out one thing, you just sit and take a breath, you feel ki okay, now I know, but before you know it, something else will demand your attention. Saying it's my turn now, it's my turn now. I thought adulting meant having the freedom to do whatever I wanted, whenever I wanted. Nobody will be there to stop me. I could eat fried snacks in the breakfast at 7 a.m. Nobody will say anything. But it turns out that it's more about doing everything that needs to be done, whether I want it or not. But then I also think that maybe adulting is also when you finally meet yourself as a person, because before this you were just following, wondering how would I have done it. Because if I was at my house and some decision was being made about something, and if I had a different view, I would just think and say ki, okay, I would not have done it this way. Once I shift to my place, or once I be independent, I will do it this way. I think that is better, but here nobody is listening to me. So when you get that opportunity, now that you are doing it, now that I am able to make the little decisions, the big ones, shaping my own life piece by piece, I know who am I as a person. And the best part is that if you don't like what you see, you always have the power to change it. You can change yourself with quantifiable goals and actually working on yourself.